Hi, this is Manning Taylor here, and I'm in a 2014 GMC Acadia SLT. I'm renting this vehicle for the week here, and as soon as I got into the vehicle, I had a question about the driver information center. When you start up the vehicle here, you'll see what I mean here. I'm going to start up the vehicle, and the problem that I'm having here with the car is the odometer is displayed in kilometers. So I have my odometer in kilometers, my trip is in kilometers, and then I'm going to pan down here over to the temperature. The temperature is also reading 16 degrees Celsius. So since I'm in the U.S., I need to change this over to U.S. English as far as mileage goes, so I'll know the proper speed of the vehicle. I'll know the correct mileage of the vehicle when it's displayed here, so I'll know that it's in US here instead of in kilometers here. So I'm going to change this here, and the way that you change this is you go over to the Driver Information Center button here. This is where you can go and make configuration changes. So if you press that button, I'm going to show you here on the odometer here what will happen here, or in this area which is referred to as a Driver Information Center. So I'm going to keep panning over until I get to an area that says units, and then there's a selection here for English, and then there's a selection here for metric. And as you can see on the screen right there, there's a check mark next to metric. So I'm going to change that to English, and the way to change that to English is, I'll show you the buttons again. What you're going to do is you're going to hit this check mark over here to the far left, and once you hit that check mark over on the far left, see how the check mark has now been placed to English. So now that it's reading English, before I hit the trip button, I'm going to show you here as well, if you notice, that the temperature has been changed to Fahrenheit as well. So you can see that the letter F is right next there. It means that it's 60 degrees Fahrenheit instead of the temperature being displayed in Celsius. So if you hit your little button there that looks like an icon of the road, once you hit that, I'm going to pan over here to the odometer, and you can see that it says 3,969 miles instead of km for kilometers. And then if I hit the trip button again, trip A has been being displayed in mileage as well as trip B. And then your measurements are in miles now as far as range. Fuel economy is being displayed miles per gallon, and then fuel used is being displayed as in gallon. Average speed is miles per hour. So it's a little easier for me to read there. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you out here if you ever encounter this problem. I'm just trying to gather some videos here, quick tutorials on questions that I encounter when using the new technology in GM vehicles, or if I'm trying to use the infotainment system as well in the vehicle. I'm sure many others may have these questions, and they'd like to know. They can have a reference video to go as well. So I hope you enjoyed this brief video, and please follow me for more videos in the future at manningtaylor.com. Thank you.